Faced with the urgency and intensity of environmental challenges, data science must be a lever for accelerating and scaling up sustainable business transformation by enabling three pillars. 1. Measuring, estimating the environmental impacts of economic activities quickly and comprehensively. 2. Deciding, helping to make sharp and informed decisions by identifying and quantifying the strongest levers of action for sobriety and efficiency. And 3. Optimizing, accelerating actions with the greatest impact using algorithmic optimization, eco-design, energy consumption optimization, supply chain optimization, for example. In the latest IPCC report, scientists agree with strong confidence that digitalization can enable emission reductions, but can have adverse side effects unless appropriately governed. Special care must be taken to ensure that the technology is not used in a counterproductive way. First, imagine solutions only if they have the potential to match the scale and urgency of the issues, and question any technological lever whose impact would be marginal. Second, develop the most sober technological solution possible, promoting the low-tech constraint as a vector of creativity. And third, stop to consider the consequences and impact, even if unintentional, and reflect on whether the solution was necessary, and do not hesitate to give up if necessary. Being aware and working on environmental data and the transformation of sustainable models is dizzying but exciting. This makes it possible to find meaning in a data scientist's work and to put the data levers in their right place, a useful and sober technology that meets a clear societal and economic need.